When I made this text, the text itself is separate from the shape behind. And the shape is sort of appearing like the background for my text. Having said that, we can add another shape in here. Let me go with the same sort of rectangle with a rounded edge. And let me just put it down beneath, around here. But what I wanted to get at is if you double click on the shape, you start getting an I-beam inside, and that means that you can start typing. You see here, I get a little plus sign, and what that indicates is that I have more text than the one that is visible within the shape right now. That means that I have to, let me just click away and then back into the shape. I have to resize the shape to fit all of the text. Now, when you have text within the shape, as before, the style of the text and the color, the size, the font, and everything, same thing as the background of the shape, they are determined by the theme that you selected to create the page. Having said that, you can always go back to the inspector, go into the text inspector, and change some of the characteristics of the text in there. For example, the insert margin, giving a little bit more space around the edges of the shape. Or any of the other variables in here, for example, aligning the text to the middle. Apart from controlling the text itself, you can also go back to the graphic inspector and use the same controls. Let me try putting in a line, similar to what I did before. And I should already have that color. I don't have it here. Let me go grab that color from this line here. I need to make it much wider. Select that shape, grab the color, and go from there. So now the three of them, the shape, this other one, as well as the line, they all have the same color. And this one was 0.75. Now, if you keep on typing on text here, this is a new paragraph. The shape itself does not grow. It only shows you the little plus sign as it was highlighted earlier. And it's totally up to you to resize that shape to fit the new paragraph or to fit the new text that was sort of missing in there. Let me go back and change the spacing in between paragraphs. Just need to make it a little bit larger. And there you have it. In this case, opposite to the one that I had before, the shape contains the text inside. Not like this other example where the text is one object and the shape is a different object.